Good morning, traders. Market about to open up in 5 seconds. Took a long position last night on AMD. We're gonna watch it. Here we go, you guys. Market gapping up this morning a little bit on good trade talks with China. So let's see if we could crack the 29. This has been resistance for a few days, you guys. 28.90 has been resistance. You can see all through here, it's been resistance. Okay, we're just cracking it. Next resistance is 29, then 29.60. We want to see a lot of buyers at $29, you guys. So we're just gonna chill. We got buyers stepping up right past 29. They just jumped right past 29. So we're gonna have a lot of shorts start covering right now. For a 3-minute and a 5-minute, you guys, we could be a little patient. And watch level 2. See all these guys eating it up. Small size though, you guys. Small size. Volume looking very sexy. Volume looking sexy. We just need them to keep it above 29. The 5-minute or the 3-minute should close above 29. We want previous resistance, you guys, to become new support. Roku's on a crazy breakout. Got a upgrade today or last night. Let's hopefully they keep this thing above 29. We're waiting news anytime from the White House, you guys, so just in case Donald Trump tweets or anything, you feel me? Hopefully they made a deal already so we could get over with this shit already. One day it's good news, one day it's bad news. So they can't keep it above 29 so far. Need them to keep it above 29, you guys. There's still buyers are gonna try right now. They think they tried to crack this thing yesterday a couple times. They couldn't. We had a lot of shorts who came in yesterday, so right now they're gonna start being underwater, especially at the break of this little trend line right here, you guys. If it breaks the 29.10 area, we're gonna have more of those guys start covering. Big sellers coming in at 29 again. Let's see if it holds VWAP. Here comes a test of VWAP. Looking like a bear trap right here. These shorts who just came in here, I think they're going to be early. Looks like some shorts came in right now. I don't think they're going to crack it, but sometimes I'm wrong, you guys. So let's see. There's too much pressure for me. I see too much pressure. Looks like they can't crack 29, but they're still gonna try, you guys. Give it a couple minutes. Still trying VWAP right here. If they can't get below VWAP, our next resistance right now is 29.08, 29.10 area. Gotta crack that. Has to crack this area right now. Let's get a close-up, you guys. Got resistance right here, 29 something. Should get back in this trend, you guys. Should get back in the 29, 40, 50 area. Excuse me. Right now we're watching the volume and we're watching the price action. Most important thing. Times and sales they're gonna get faster if this cracks right here. You're going to see a lot of shorts start covering. So they're going to try to keep it below this for a minute. See, above here, you guys could say that some of them are underwater, and above here, a lot of them will be underwater. And above 29.10, more of them will be underwater from yesterday. So if we could get up here, we're going to see some of them start covering, you guys. You guys will start seeing them on the times and sales. So when shorts cover, you guys, it creates buying. So they start buying, so the stock goes more up, and then other people start buying, it goes more up, and then you got some chasers, and then you got some breakout buyers. So as long as they don't keep adding on and keep shorting, we could get through them right here. But this is going to be a tough resistance. It hasn't cracked it in a couple days. Last time it cracked, it hit 29.50 and came right back down again. Still resistance right here. All the sellers are coming in. The short's still trying to protect it. We need the bidders to step it up, keep it above 29. We want this candle to close above here. We got 3 minutes left on this candle. Looking like it's gonna spike. We got a few more bidders coming in. Watching level 2. Still got huge sellers on the sidelines. Come on, we are almost there. Let's get above here, you guys. Come on, a little bit. Testing 29 still, you guys. Testing 29. Come on, knocking on 29. You guys remember my last year videos when I say don't buy until we get through resistance? Like if you guys buy the breakout, like not even, like this time you have to like have like a double confirmation to buy. It has to go up and come back right back down again. Here we go. Got a new day high. Has to break the 29.08. Nope. Come on, you guys. Get a little higher. Give me 29.10 real fast, so we can get a few covers. There we go, you guys. Let's start covering past 29.10. Let's start covering, you guys. They're going to still try to keep it below it. See all these guys waiting right here? They want to try to keep it below it. AMD got a little strength right now, so hopefully the momentum can take us through those guys, which is good, so they could start covering too. Here we go. Getting through them. Let's go. Here we go, finally cracking the 29. Let's see if it holds it. Pay attention to the level 2, you guys. You want to pay attention to the buyers. You want to see buyers keep stepping it up. You guys see 29.18. You want to see these guys push it up. And you want to see these guys go higher in price. You want to see these guys start going 29.20, 29.25. There we go. You see that? 29.20, but we got a little wall. We got some big sellers right here. You guys see that at 29.20? We got right through them again. Right through them. We're going to take off a little of our shares, you guys, because we are in the green. We are up almost $600, so we are going to take 500 shares off. We're going to sell the bid at 29.26. And we're going to be a little patient with the last 210 shares. Let's see if they could keep it above 29 now. Now the whole goal is to keep it above 29. Their target's going to be 29.50 is the next target. This is our next target, you guys. 29.50, and then we got a big resistance right here, but you never know. That's why we locked in profits, just to go in case it goes down again. We locked in most of our profits, so we're going to be patient with the last few shares. These steppers still stepping it up a little. The buyers, volume is looking very good still on our side. The most important thing with trading, you guys, is to stay calm. That's why you guys see me, I take this out the way. And I usually, when I don't do videos, sometimes I decide to go live or whatever. But when I don't do videos, I'll block it. Because it just gets in the way and it messes with your, like you'll just be trading the money. You won't be paying attention to the patterns and stuff. So, let's see. Let's see if we can get test of 29.50. We got a few sellers. You guys see that at 29.29. We got a little wall right there. So that's we have to get through here right now. We have to get through this area for it to go anywhere. We gotta get through that 29.30, and hopefully that will become new support. Gonna make a little trend line we could follow. Right now we got VWAP and the 9 helping us out. Looking like a ascending triangle pattern right here now. So we might have a little breakout. We got some pressure building up, so the stock is being squeezed still. The stock is being squeezed. We just need a little more pressure to keep taking us up there. $29.30, $29.40 is the new target for these guys to take it up past $29.50, $29.75. We're going to have a little resistance. Always remember, you guys, every 25 cents, there's going to be a little natural resistance. Every 50 cents, $1 is going to be a little natural resistance. Sometimes even every 10 cents. Like right now, you guys seen the 29.30. So now we got to get past that. Got a little pullback going on. Why am I still holding, you guys? Because the volume's still on our side. Volume's still in our favor. We don't have that much pressure from the sellers right now. And I only have a couple hundred shares left. So we locked in most of the profits, you guys. That will help you a lot with patience. If you guys don't know when to sell, just take most of it off. I take most of it off. Sometimes 2/3 most of the time. Sometimes half, but most of the time like 2/3. And then the rest of the last third, I'll go either half and half with it, or probably at one time I'll sell, depending on the plan. We need a new high right now. We need to get past 29.32. We got an ugly candle so far. Testing 29.30s again, you guys. Should have a breakout right here. We just need the volume to come in, and we should have a breakout, you guys. Pay attention to the volume. If we get a lot of green volume right here, we should break out past here. We're going to have more shorts underwater in this area. Let's pay attention closely. We still have 9. The 9 EMA, VWAP, and a little support right here. So let's see. So far, it's in our favor. Let's see if they hold it up. If these shorts don't try to sell it down from here. I see a little pressure on our side, but they have some pressure too. They keep trying to sell it down at 29.30. So we're gonna watch them close. Here we go. Here comes some buyers stepping it up. We need more size though. We need more size. Some buyers wait for the breakout, you guys. Then they're gonna add. See these guys right here? Bam. They're like, nope. They just stuffed us again. Here come the sellers. Usually the first pullback, you guys, is profit takers. Second pullback will be the shorts. But here comes some profit takers. Maybe a few shorts, early shorts coming in again, or adding on their positions. We do have some shorts in you guys from yesterday still. Can't hold the 25 area so far. We still got a nice pattern. Still have a nice pattern right here. Still holding up there above the 25 area, 20 area so far, above VWAP. We had a big buyer step it up, you guys. Big buyer just stepped it up, trying to push this thing past the 29.32 area. We got some hidden guys just chilling though right here. They're not really on the level 2, but they're just chilling on the sideline. So every time he comes here, or they come try to push it up, they just push him back down again. So we do have a little supply right here. We're going to give it a little time to see if there's more supply right here. They're going to try it again. Hopefully those guys who just short, they'll also add on like fuel to the fire. They'll start covering also. Watching level 2 for some bidders to step up past 29.32. Here we go. 29.33, 29.34. Now watching times and sales, just to I want to see shorts start covering. I want to see big size in the green right here. There we go. You guys see that? I want to see bigger than that. Here we go. I want to see bigger than that. I don't want to see too much red size in the red right now. We're getting a new high on the 1 minute. We're getting a new high on the 1 minute. Come on, AMD, push, baby. You guys, check out my merch, you guys. I got a lot of nice merch for all the traders on stockafella.com. I'll put the link in the description. I'm gonna be doing sessions soon, so I'm gonna announce that really soon, you guys. So I'm probably gonna be giving out a couple phone coaching sessions. So if you're interested, you know, in a couple days, let me know or email me at mytradecoach23@gmail.com. mytradecoach23@gmail.com, you guys. So we're watching right now. We're watching AMD. The volume very, very, very beautiful. Level 2 is looking okay. Times and sales is looking okay. The algos are trying to, you know, they're trying to kick in as always. Right now, our next target is the 2950 area, you guys. So we have to break the 2950 area. That's our next resistance. If we break that, we're gonna have more shorts underwater, you guys. Watching level 2. I want these guys to go above 2947, 2948, 2949. Start testing the 2950 area. We do have some bulls in the house today. You guys can see them sitting on the level 2. So you guys, sometimes you guys know I go short, and sometimes you guys know I go long. I go like which way the stock is going, which way the market's going. So right now we might have some resistance, and this is my plan, you guys. You guys know my motto. What's my motto, you guys? Plan the trade, trade the plan, right? So this is my plan. I just want to see the test of 2950. Bidder still trying to step it up. Volume still in our favor. The seller just stepped it up. Good job, seller. Good job, seller. Now we just need the buyers to step it up. Come on, guys. Analysts just gave this an upgrade yesterday. But they said this is going to be like at $35 and by next year because of the PlayStation. They're supplying the new PlayStation that's coming out with the processors or whatever. So ain't nobody got time. You know how many trades I'll be in until then, you guys. So I just want this to test the 2950 real fast. You guys see, I don't want to jinx it, but not one red candle yet on the volume. So we're gonna hang out. I should be pulling back soon though. I should be expecting a pullback. We got big buyers on level 2 on the bidders. Here we go, test. Let's see if it tests the 2950. Let's see where base is out at. 2940, they're holding it up at 2940. We got some support at the 40 area. Looks like a bear trap to me on the 1 minute. If you guys don't know what a bear trap is, check out my YouTube video, what is a bear trap and how to avoid it. You guys definitely want to subscribe to my videos because I always give out the secrets that nobody tells you. A lot of YouTubers don't tell you like that. Not the inside, but the real secrets they don't tell you on YouTube. I don't really care, you guys. I do trade. I make enough trading and stuff. I have a couple other businesses, so I feel like the more that you give, the more that you get back. So 29.36 testing. That's a bad sign. Hopefully it'll be a little fake out, a little bear trap. We still have the 9 underneath us, and we still have VWAP beneath us. We're gonna see the test of VWAP, you guys. I'm gonna stick to the plan. Excuse me. We're waiting on news from the White House, you guys, today, so I might be sounding a little too early. Now we have the 9 holding us up. The 9's holding us up. The blue line right here, the 9 EMA. Hopefully that was a little bear trap. Volume's coming back in. The shorts who just tried a short just covered again. So we had some shorts cover right here. They cut losses really quick. We got some other shorts still chilling right here in this area. They still want to keep it above 48. They don't want to see a new high on the day. The longs, we want to see a new high. We want to see a test of the 29.50 area. Let's see if they can do it. Looks like they're going to try it again, you guys. Shorts are going to have to buy their way out, you guys. If we get up there. Nine o'clock in 2 more minutes. Hopefully we'll have a 9 a.m. breakout. You gotta be a little patient with this, you guys. Locked in most of the profits. Gonna stick to the plan. No matter what, gonna stick to the plan, you guys. Always gotta treat trading like a business, you guys. Even though we take it one trade at a time, it's only one trade. For all the newbies, if you're watching my video right now and you're new, check out my video. It's called You Need More Time. Because a lot of traders give up before they're even... and they lose their money and give up before they ever learn. So check out that video, guys. Here we go. We got a few bidders stepping back up again. Need more size on the level 2 on the bid side. Here we go. Here's a test of the 9 again. These guys still try to keep it below here, you guys. Even though these guys are here on level 2, try to push it back up. We got some guys that just, you can't see them too much right here, but every time it comes right here, you see them right here. That's why you guys always want to watch the tape to see what if they're not on level 2. You know, let's see if these are basically all the receipts that go through. So they're marketing in or whatever, dark pooling, however they're doing it. They're not using level 2. They're not using limit orders. They're smacking the markets and doing whatever they're doing. Let's see if we get another top right here. If we can crack this. If we can crack this right here. We got buyers stepping it up, level 2. We got some guys just stepped it up at 29.40. So he's probably going to end up testing it again right now. So watch these guys right here. Times and sales just jumped up for a second. Here we go. Here he's back right here, you guys. He's on the NASDAQ bid. You guys see him? ARK on the bid right beneath him. I was reading like 30% of hedge funds own this, so a lot of hedge funds are on this thing. So you're playing with the big boys, you guys, but it is a little safer to me than penny stocks. You can manage your risk a little better with these. We don't have a wall right here, but we have a few guys at 29.40 still trying to hold it down. Hopefully volume stays in our favor. We're going to have some guys cut losses right here. We're going to have somebody people start cutting losses. You guys see that guy? He's still trying to hold it back up again. His average is probably right here somewhere, so they protect their money, you guys. Let's see it tests. A lot of guys shorting, a lot of guys selling right here. You gotta get by them, you guys. Gotta get to the 29.50, you guys. Next target is 29.50. All these sellers. The bid got to step it up, you guys. We need more buyers to step it up. That's why it's not going nowhere past those guys at 29.40. There you go. Step it up. It's like a tug of war right now. Bidders are not keeping it above 29.40. There's a lot of supply right here. You guys see this little wall at 29.40? Like a wall of sellers. You guys see them? Look at it. Now we gotta get past them for this stock to go anywhere. They gotta get out of here. We gotta take all these orders out. 6,200 shares, 4,800 shares, 3,300 shares, 2,600 shares. And now we got some people offering it cheaper, so they just dropped off. So they got taken out. So now we need more buyers to step back up again. Sometimes you'll get fooled by level 2, you guys. So this is still king to me right here. Price action is king. Volume is probably number 2. Level 2 is important too. Like, it's probably up there with volume and times and sales. But the king of is still the price action. Level 2 is important too, especially in a breakout time like this. You want to see guys step it up. You want to see these guys, and you don't want to see this big wall right here. You want to have a clear pathway. You don't want to have a big wall in your way. Okay, it's above it just got below the 9, you guys. Let's see if they try to slam it down again. The plan is, you guys, I don't know if I mentioned the plan, but the plan is to hold hold the rest of my shares as long as it holds the support in this VWAP area. Even if I might give some back, I'll risk a little bit, you guys, because we locked in most of it, so we're risking a couple $100. So we're risking the house money basically. We locked in our money, now we're playing with their money. So basically a free trade right here. That's how I see it, you guys. So always, you guys, one of my top rules is locking profits. At least some of them or most of them. Because the worst thing that could happen to you is you guys could be up like a lot, a couple thousand or a couple hundred or whatever, and then the next day you see like, damn, now I'm down. Damn, I should have took it, or I should have took something. That's like worse than losing. To be up and then to be back down again, or to give everything right back. Hold on, you guys, give me 1 second. I'm gonna check on Shadow. Check on this cat, my baby. Alright, I see them still trying to test the 2930 area. Now we want previous resistance, you guys. This was previous resistance. We want it to become new support right here. So we actually want this area to hold. And then the resistance before that is this right here, 2912. We don't want it to get all the way back down there again. We actually want this to hold. Even a VWAP would be okay if it held, if it tested for a second and came back up again. But as long as we don't get under here again. And the important thing is to stay above 29 for today. Pay attention to the volume right now, you guys. Now we're testing 29.25. See that volume I was just talking about? Hope we shouldn't get above here. That'll be bad if we get we get a lot of sellers to get above here. A possible test of VWAP coming soon. Seller is still trying to push this thing down. You guys see our flag that failed? Our ascending triangle pattern that failed earlier. So not all of them work all the time, you guys. It worked for a minute, but you know, it was like a fake out breakout. Excuse me. I'm gonna put the video on pause, you guys. Let this thing play around. I'll be back in a few, you guys. Let this thing test VWAP so the video won't be for the test of 2950 again. This is where we had problems earlier. Let's see if they squeeze it out. $29.63 area. This thing's squeezing. I didn't even see all this. We are going to take our 700s and get the hell up out of here, you guys. $703.39 on the day. I'll see you guys on the next one. Plan the trade. Trade the damn plan. Peace out.